Kain lang te gamma vo an hola ka chin hon pa cha hoi dan. What's called?
I don't know
What
the
we
name.
call this flower? The name of this flower is unknown.
Whoever know, you comment.
Yeah, you can please tell me by commenting the video the name of this flower. It's it looks so beautiful, but we don't know the name. Lai ve la he von ka hol hon. Inneipi to. 팅물도 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 the rough leaf 물체의 주위에 vokbu vokchabu very beautiful. Wow, so beautiful. A color, multicolor, purple and white. I think we can plant in our garden. This can be planted with just with the branch or with the seed.
With the branch, I think. Like this, the branch and it.
Rose flower. Lychee.
Many flowers.
It's fully blooming lychee. Lycheephung. Tamulphung. One hole na lampi.